Hey sneaker fan, this is HighFoot Review. Today we are unboxing and review the iconic Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Black Gum. Before we start the unboxing, if you want to grab your favorite sneaker, this video is officially sponsored by HahaStyle.io. Is an online retailer offering a wide selection of high quality sneaker and luxury brand replicas. HahaStyle.io offering top quality sneakers, Nike, Air Jordan, Adidas, luxury shoes, accessories, slides. This website, all information like website link, WhatsApp number in my description box. Go and check it out and get some nice sneaker for you. Let's go unboxing with some great music.